Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Mac OS version and that you have admin rights. This avoids permission errors. Next, pick whether to use a dedicated VPN app or the built-in ICAV 2/L2TP profile. Apps simplify setup while profiles give manual control. Once chosen, gather your username, password, server address, and any 2FA method. Store them nearby. Now open System Settings or the VPN app. You will begin creating a new connection, so the Mac can route traffic securely through the VPN server. You now enter the connection specifics: server address, remote ID, and local ID when using manual profiles. Then choose the protocol WireGuard or ICAV2 for speed and stability, OpenVPN for compatibility, L2TP only if legacy required, because protocol affects security and latency. After credentials, enable DNS leak protection and a kill switch if available. This prevents IP leaks when the tunnel drops. Once configured, save the profile and connect briefly to verify authentication and basic routing. You finish by connecting and verifying that your public IP and DNS resolve through the VPN. This proves encryption and routing. Make sure to set the app to auto-launch or auto-connect on untrusted Wi-Fi so you stay protected without thinking about it. If connectivity fails, check the app logs, try switching protocol or a different server, and confirm credentials. Often a simple protocol change fixes MTU or handshake problems. Finally, test latency-sensitive apps to ensure performance meets your needs before you rely on the VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.